The forgotten risk of public Wi-Fi. Free Wi-Fi isn't free when your data is the price. We've all done it. Grabbed a coffee, opened our laptop, and connected to public Wi-Fi without a second thought. But what if that split-second connection gave someone else access to your emails, passwords, or bank info? Here's what you're really exposing when you connect. No encryption means your data travels in plain text. Hackers can sit between you and the sites you visit. Fake Wi-Fi hotspots mimic the real thing. Session hijacking lets attackers act like you online. Let's do a quick reality check. 1 in 4 public Wi-Fi users have faced a data breach. 60% of small businesses shut down after a cyber attack. 75% of users connect without any protection. What not to do on public Wi-Fi? Online banking, accessing corporate platforms, entering any passwords or card details. Want to stay safe?
Use a trusted VPN like Zscaler for secure traffic monitoring.
Use your mobile hotspot. Turn off Auto Connect. Wait for a secure network for sensitive tasks. Cybersecurity isn't just a tech issue, it's a daily habit. Whether you're remote working or just checking your balance, think before you connect. Found this helpful? Visit our page for more tips and stay connected. Enforce IT.